Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can use to actually boost the traffic to your website. So I will be covering your website, the home page, the Google Business Profile, and something that we call backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see here that you have the click to call button down here. You have links to the different back pages, be it services or location pages. You have very nice visuals, by the way. Very nice pictures. You have a brief intro of the company, the different materials that you use, some testimonials over here, and then this is the footer with links to your social media accounts. So overall, it's an easy to navigate, well laid out front page. You could potentially have the click to call button at the top so that it always appears in all of the on all of the pages as like in the header. Then you have the contact us form, so just make it very easy for anyone to reach out to you. You could actually potentially add action buttons throughout the content of the homepage. Now, in terms of the amount of content, right now your front page has 775 words. If I have a look at two of your competitors, Kitchen Remodeling Houston, these guys have 2,080 words, and Gulf Remodeling, these guys have 2,797 words. So definitely an opportunity for you to explore and to include in here more content, but not only more content, but relevant, content with relevant buyer intent keywords so that Google can find you for those keywords and then Google will start ranking you for those keywords. Now, I came here to the Google search and I type in kitchen remodeling Houston. And the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are a really good mechanism to attract traffic and also to generate leads. And then you have the Google Map Packs, and the Google Map Packs are driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need three things. You need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need something that we call citations, which is nothing else but being listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number. They need to match exactly the same way as those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and in this section to rank at the top, you need first a responsive and safe and complete website. And what I mean when I say complete, I mean the content is the appropriate one so that Google can actually find you. Then you start building backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And right now I am looking at the back end of your website, and I can see that you have 43 external websites directing traffic towards your website through 553 links. If I have a look at these guys, Kitchen Remodeling Houston, they have 703 external websites directing traffic through theirs through 4,210 backlinks, and Gulf Remodeling, these guys have, this is a landing page for Kitchen Remodeling Houston. So they only have for this one 16 external websites directing traffic towards that particular back page through 25 links. So it's important to pay close attention to this backlink profile and just make sure that those links are sitting on websites that are related to your services and to your niche and the industry that you operate in, so that Google can give you extra credits for this and can start regarding your website as an authority of those particular topics. And you not only want, so going back to that, you not only want to have more backlinks, but you want to have quality backlinks. Now, your website is being found for 345 organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are. Here is for your site. So if I actually look at, so this view shows me what are those keywords. The search volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing for that particular keyword. So you can see here that pool enclosures Houston has a search volume of 80, and because you are in the 5th position, you are able to drive 60 visits to your website. But for example, basement remodel Houston, basement finishing Houston, you're in the 11th position. They have a search volume of 200 combined. but because you're on the 11th position, you're only able to drive close to 4 visits to your website for those 2 keywords only. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords that are that have a higher search volume so that you can include those keywords in the content of your website. Then you want to build a strong backlink profile so that you can start ranking at the top. And in that sense, you're going to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers. A percentage of those are going to end up in your website, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you're going to be able to land as new customers. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information in here, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.